Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to tell you if someone can fake a hearing test. Debunking misconceptions. Hearing tests are essential for diagnosing and managing hearing impairments. They help identify the extent and nature of hearing loss, aiding professionals in recommending suitable treatment options. However, a common query arises: can someone fabricate or manipulate a hearing test result? The short answer is yes. It's possible to manipulate or fake a hearing test. But let's delve deeper into why and how this could happen. Why fake a hearing test? Numerous motivations may prompt someone to consider falsifying a hearing test result. These can range from obtaining a specific medical document for personal reasons to attempting to secure hearing aids unnecessarily. Some individuals might feign hearing loss to acquire accommodations at school or work, seeking certain benefits or advantages. Understanding the hearing test process. A typical hearing test, also known as an audiometry exam, is conducted in a soundproof booth or room. It's administered by an audiologist or a trained specialist. The test involves wearing headphones and responding to various sounds played at different frequencies and volumes. The test primarily focuses on two key elements: determining the softest sounds a person can hear at different pitches and assessing speech recognition or understanding in noisy environments. Possibilities of faking a hearing test. While it's possible to cheat during a hearing test, there are challenges to consider. Audiologists are trained to identify inconsistency or suspicious behavior during the test. Here are some potential ways individuals might try to fake a hearing test. Pretending not to wear. Some might deliberately act as if they can't hear the test sounds. They may try to guess or give inaccurate responses. Deliberately giving wrong answers. Responding inaccurately or inconsistently during the test could be an attempt to manipulate the results. Seeking guidance. Some individuals may try to obtain insights or cues from the audiologist or testing equipment to respond accordingly. Why it's not advisable. Attempting to falsify a hearing test can lead to incorrect diagnosis, which can have serious consequences. If someone tries to obtain hearing aids they don't actually require, they might overlook underlying issues or delay necessary treatments for genuine hearing problems. Professional audiologist role. Trained audiologists are adept at recognizing discrepancies in a patient's responses. They observe behavioral clues and patterns that may indicate dishonesty or attempts to manipulate the test. Professionals understand that no hearing test result should be evaluated in isolation. They consider the patient's history, lifestyle, and other relevant factors. While it's theoretically possible to fake a hearing test, the chances of success are slim due to the vigilance and expertise of audiologists. Falsifying results not only undermines the integrity of the medical process but also jeopardizes one's hearing health by impeding proper diagnosis and treatment. The primary goal of a hearing test is to provide accurate information about a person's hearing abilities. It's crucial to trust the process and work collaboratively with audiologists to address any concerns or issues. For more information, call us at 9658395839 or visit us at www.aanvihearing.com.